We're going to be starting our work with Microsoft PowerPoint. To get started with PowerPoint, just like we have with the other applications, we need to take a look at the screen layout so we understand the terminology that we will be working with as we progress through PowerPoint. So I will be providing you with the handout for this PowerPoint presentation. It's kind of unique that it's actually the screen layout in a PowerPoint so that you will be able to prepare for the quiz that you will have to take later on. So just to take a look at the things that we have, you have your ribbon up here, and nothing has really changed other than maybe the names of your groupings that you're working with. So make sure that you spend a little bit of time to see what's in the Home tab versus the Insert tab, the Design tab. You'll be working with transitions and animations. You'll take a look at the slideshow, and you'll still also be working with the Review and View tabs as well. You will notice that the little icon up in the Quick Access bar is called Start from Beginning. That means that if you are on slide 6 in a PowerPoint presentation and you click on that icon, it's going to start to play your presentation from the beginning. Whereas if you're down here in the view area and you click on your little presenter icon, it's going to start presenting from the slide that you're on. So just kind of something you want to keep in mind with the differences between those two. The Quick Access toolbar has your ability to save, undo, redo, and then your Start from Beginning presenter is there as well. You have the title bar, you have the tabs that you have in your ribbon. The entire thing is called the ribbon. You can collapse the ribbon by clicking on the arrow. Remember, then you come back here to expand the ribbon or to show your tabs and ribbon. This area off to the left is called the Slide Thumbnails pane. And so you're going to see a little thumbnail version of each one of the slides that you may have created. This entire area is called the slide pane. And within the slide pane, you have what are called placeholders. And we'll talk about those in just a minute on the next slide. You have your scroll box that's within your scroll bar. You have your status bar, which tells you what slide you're on. You have the taskbar area down below here, which isn't visible. Your view area allows you to go from slide sorter view to normal view. You have your zoom area. And then if we go ahead and click on the next slide, you will see that here are your placeholders. And what you need to pay attention to is the active placeholder is where the insertion point is located. It also has sizing handles on it so that you can adjust the height or the width of that placeholder. And then you also have the little rotation handle that will allow you to, or your placeholder. So this is the active placeholder. This is just another placeholder. This is actually an example of a title slide, so you would have the title placeholder and the subtitle placeholder. Please know for your quiz, I will be looking for the term, if it's on there, placeholder or active placeholder, not text box, because technically in PowerPoint they are called placeholders.